It's the end of an era. Greg Bird, no longer with the Yankees. Jacoby Ellsbury, also no longer with the Yankees. You know, I remember when Bird, he looked like every part in Greg Bird of a Yankee slugger from head to toe. He fit that mold of times. Cashman even said that he was one of the best hitters in the organization. There were brief moments, and really freakish injuries and slumps. You know, he went 6 for 60. Sent down to the minor leagues, never really fully recovered from that. And there were so many times, season in, season out, that you would say, okay, this is the year for Greg Bird. And then it just, again, started off right, and then, the injuries just came. Again, highly productive. In his first, he made his debut in 2015. Played just 186 games since 2015. Missed the entire 2016 season and just played 10 games in 2019. So it was just a hellacious start for them. Ellsbury, was one of the worst probably signings in team history. You should have been able to kind of recognize the fact that Boston was letting him walk as maybe a huge red flag. Boston clearly, I think, was ready to move on from him. Secondly, a week before signing Ellsbury, the Yankees decided to let Cano walk because they didn't want to sign him for a long-term deal and get stuck with another A-Rod or Teixeira type of contract. Which at the time you might have been completely fine with. But then a week later, they decide to sign Ellsbury for a long-term deal that was only 3 less years than Cano wanted. This decision totally contradicted and nullified their logic and position on not wanting to sign long-term deals. I think the Yankees still owe him like $26 million deals. This contract lives up to that contract over, let's say, Kevin Brown, Carl Provano, Keigawa. Keigawa spent all his career as a Yankee in the minor leagues. Never once, I don't think, even made it to the bigs. And Bird just never really lived up to the hype, He might catch on with someone else. Bird had that playoff home run, so he had some great moments there. It just, his body, just looks like it will continue to fail him. You hope not. You hope not. But then again, too, Bird did have some decent amount of healthy time to be on that consistency train, which he wasn't able to. So it's sad. That just goes to show you that sometimes prospects and rookies are exactly that. Prospects and rookies. So it's very interesting to see what will happen with Greg Bird. Jacoby Ellsbury, I'm not sure, what this means with his playing career. I'm not sure if he will continue or not. I hope all is well, and I look forward to speaking to you guys very, very soon.